Alright, Bird. Go ahead. There's Jeremy Berg. And Savage.
We're going to turn this on.
Chambered in 300 Winchester Magnum. And safety is not functioning correctly
Here we go,
on the
folks.
rifle. Wait, okay. There's the log. And that's a
We
direct,
rattled her, but we didn't turn her.
that's a
We gotta
direct
try this
hit.
again.
You didn't split it, Bert. Do one more try.
We rattled her again, but no turning.
Come on, Bird. Split the log. Okay.
Hold on, we're almost there.
How many rounds you got jacked in there? Oh,
I just jacked out my 30.
he's loading them in by hand.
How many you get shoot? I don't know. Gotta hit the wall. Huh? Gotta hit the wall. I did.
Did you get it?
We rattled her, but we didn't split her. Let's go look at it. For our next dog, huh?
And
We'll go look at it.
welcome to the cabin.